Morning children. Continuing with percentage, today we are going to study how to find a percentage of a given quantity. Take for example, it is given percentage of given quantity. The given quantity is rupees 130. I have to find out 26% of 130. To find out the percentage of a given quantity, what you have to do, this percentage you will convert it to a fraction. Okay, you will change this percentage into a fraction, and then of means what? Of means multiplication, and then you will multiply it to the given quantity. The given quantity is 130, so rupees we have taken out as the unit, and 130 into this percent converted to fraction will be 26 by 100. So 26 by 100. Reducing this, I got rupees 169 by 5, that is equal to 33.80 rupees. Similarly, what we did, to convert the percentage, to find the percentage of a given quantity, we have to convert the percentage to a fraction. How to convert the percentage to a fraction? By removing the percentage sign and dividing the number by 100. Okay. Then multiplying, of means multiplication, so multiplying it to the given quantity whatever is there, to that you will multiply this fraction. Okay, next one, 3% of 4 kg. When you have numbers like this, 4 kg, 2 kg, 2 meter, 2 kilometer, 5 centimeter, then what you do, you convert this to the smaller unit. Okay, then 3% of 4 kg, 4 kg is 4000 gram. I converted this, and 3% changed to fraction is 3 by 100. So 4000 into 3 by 100 is 0 cancelled, and 3 into 40 is 120 grams. This you can also do it in another way, that is 3% of 4 kg is 4 into 3 by 100. The given quantity is 4, and 3 by 100 is the changed form of this percentage as fraction, 3 by 100 and kg. So 4 ones are 4, 25s are, I got how much? 3 by 25 kg. Now you have to convert this to gram. 1 kg is 1000 gram. So 3 by 25 into 1000 gram is 120 kg. Either of the methods you can solve. 7% of 12 kilometer. 12 kilometer into 7 by 100. This percentage changed to fraction, this many kilometers. Okay, so 12 kilometer, I converted it to 12,000 meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, so 12 kilometer is 12,000 meter. 12,000 into 7 by 100 is 840 meter. 0 cancelled. What remains? 120 into 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 12s are 84. Okay. Now coming to the next topic, writing one quantity as a percentage of the other. You have to here find out the percent. What percent is 12 of 80? Here what we are doing, we are finding out the percent that is 12 of 180. So we have a formula for this. Required percentage is first quantity divided by second quantity into 100. When we have multiplied it to 100, we put the whole thing inside the bracket and give the percentage sign. So what percentage is 12 of 80? 12 is what? The first quantity. 80 is the second quantity. So required percentage is first quantity by second quantity into 100. You write the formula over here, first quantity into second quantity by 100. I have missed it out. Okay, but you will write it. Okay, first quantity by second quantity into 100. So reducing it, you will get 15%. Okay, express 35 paise as a percentage of rupees 2.50. The 35 paise as a percentage of rupees 2.50. First, what you will do, see, this is given in paise, this is given in rupees. Okay, so first thing you have to do is bring this to a similar unit. This is 2 rupees 50 paise. We'll convert it to paise. Into 100 we will multiply. You got how much? 250 paise. Now we have to find out the percentage. Then the required percentage is how much? First quantity by second quantity into 100%. Solving this got 14%. Okay. 6 millimeter as a percentage of 2 centimeter. This is in millimeter. This is in centimeter. Centimeter is higher unit of millimeter. Wherever you have a smaller unit and a higher unit, convert the higher unit to the smaller unit. Okay, so 2 centimeter you will convert it to millimeter. 1 centimeter is how many millimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, so 2 into 10 millimeter is equal to 20 millimeter. Then the required percentage will be first quantity by second quantity into 100, then percent. Okay, when you will multiply anything to 100, you will give the percentage sign. Enclose the whole thing inside the bracket. Enclose the whole thing inside the bracket and give the percentage sign. Then what is going to be the required percentage? The required percentage is first quantity, that is 6, by second quantity, that is 20, into 100%, reducing got 30%. Okay, 25s are 100, so 5 into 6 is 30%. Here you must have seen that when we were converting these into percentage, when we were finding out the percentage, what we did, we were comparing two quantities, isn't it? First quantity and second quantity we were comparing. Then when you compare two quantities, you will keep in mind that they must be of the same kind and in the same unit. They must be of the same kind. This is also paise, this is given in rupees. They are of the same kind, money. Okay, and they should be of the same unit. This was in rupees, so we converted this to paise. Here it was 6 millimeter, it was 2 centimeter over here, so we converted this 2 centimeter to 2 centimeter to millimeter. Okay, because 6 is in millimeter, so converted 2 centimeter to millimeter. Okay, so what you have to note over here, we have to note that while comparing two quantities, they must be of the same kind and in same units. Understood? Now another type of question, you see, what percent is 9 meter 10 centimeter of 65 meter? This is in meter, this quantity is in meter and centimeter. Here it is in meter and centimeter, so what we will do, we will convert this whole thing to centimeter. So 9 meter 10 centimeter is 9 meter is 9 into 100 centimeter plus 10 centimeter is 910 centimeter. Okay, then 65 meter is 65 into 100, 6500 centimeter. See, both the units we have converted and brought it to the same unit. Both quantities we converted and brought it to the same unit. Then we have to find out what? The percentage. So required percentage is the first quantity divided by second quantity into 100. So 910 divided by 6500 into 100 and enclosed inside the bracket with the percentage sign outside. Okay, then cancelling all this, we got 14%. Right? Then next, what percent is 1 minute 48 seconds of 1 hour? See, this is 1 hour, this is in minute and second. Which is the smallest unit? The smallest unit is second. So all these quantities I am going to convert it to second. So 1 minute 48 seconds. For 1 minute it is 60 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Plus 48 seconds is 108 seconds. And 1 hour is how many seconds? It is 60 into 60 seconds. Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, so that is 60 into 60 seconds is 3600 seconds. Then we will find out the required percentage, because we have to find out the percentage. Simple formula, the first quantity divided by the second quantity, first quantity divided by second quantity into 100 and everything enclosed inside and percentage sign. So 108 divided by 3600 into 100%. This is 2020 cancel and 36 3s are, that is 3%. Here also I missed writing the formula, so you are going to write it. First quantity by second quantity into 100. Never forget to write the formula. Now, this is a different type of a question. What is the number whose 6% is 8.1? Okay, meaning what? That 6% of the required number is equal to 8.1. This statement framed it into a formula. 6% of required number is equal to 8.1. 6% is 6 by 100. Of means multiplication. Required number is equal to 8.1. Then required number is how much? 8.1 into 100 by 6. Cancelled, got 135. You can also take x for the required number. You can write let, this is or, let the required number be x. Then 6% of x is equal to 8.1. Rest is same. X is equal to 8.1 into 6 by, this implies what? That 6 by 100 of x is equal to 8.1. Then x is 8.1 into 100 by 6. See, this is a decimal point. So to reduce the decimal, to take out the decimal point, I will write 81 into 10, because this one decimal place and this 0 gets cancelled. So 81 into 10 divided by 6. Okay, then cancel it. 2 5s are 2 3s are 3 2s are 6 7s are, so 27 into 5 is equal to 135. You can also take x in place of required number and solve. Either of the way you find it easier is okay. Okay, clear? When you are asked what is the number whose 6% is 8.1. Here we are not finding out the percentage because percentage is already given. What are we finding out? We are finding out the number. So 6% of required number is equal to 8.1. This is the equation that we will frame. And similar way as we were solving the other sums, we will solve it same way. Clear? I hope you have understood. We will be go through this video properly and then we will be solving the exercise.